Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to take Rasayanam Ashwagandha KSM-66. For general well-being, a daily dose of 300 to 500 milligrams is often recommended. However, for specific concerns like stress and anxiety, some research indicates that 600 milligrams daily, divided into 2 doses, can be beneficial. It is always wise to speak with a healthcare professional to find the perfect dosage for your unique health goals and ensure it aligns with your body's needs. The best time to take your Ashwagandha KSM-66 can depend on your personal goals. If you are looking for sustained energy and stress support during your day, taking it after breakfast is a great option. For those aiming to improve relaxation and sleep quality, an evening dose, about 1 or 2 hours before bed, is often ideal. You can also split your daily dose, taking half in the morning and half in the evening, for comprehensive, all-day support. To truly experience the full benefits of Ashwagandha KSM-66, consistency is absolutely vital. It is recommended to take it daily for at least 2 to 3 months to allow its adaptogenic properties to build up in your system. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and regular intake will yield the best results. Some individuals also choose to cycle their use, taking short breaks after about 3 months, but always consult your doctor for personalized advice. When incorporating Ashwagandha KSM-66 into your routine, a few important considerations will help. Taking your supplement with meals can significantly improve absorption and help prevent any mild digestive discomfort. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or currently on other medications, it is crucial to consult your healthcare provider beforehand. Always choose a high-quality supplement that is a pure root extract, as KSM-66 is specifically known for its clinically studied efficacy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.